Hello everyone. Today we're going to be showing you how to install your Rekluse clutch basket for the Harley-Davidson M8 and 07 Plus twin cam models. Stand the bike up on a suitable bike stand or lift. On the primary chain case, use a 5/8 wrench to remove the oil drain plug, then drain the oil. Remove any parts that are attached or blocking the primary chain case cover. Remove the primary chain case cover. Remove the retaining ring holding in the center throwout with snap ring pliers. Then remove the throwout. Remove OE chain tensioner. Using a 1 3/16 socket and an impact driver, remove the left-hand thread center clutch nut. Using a T70 Torx bit and an impact driver, remove the bolt securing the compensator assembly. Remove the complete clutch assembly, compensator assembly, and drive chain together. Separate the clutch assembly. Remove the snap ring from the back of the center hub with snap ring pliers and press the inner clutch assembly out of the bearing. Using a center punch and hammer, punch a divot into the center of each rivet head from the inside of the basket. Drill out the heads of the rivets with the supplied drill bit. Take care to only drill the head of the rivet and not the entire length. Remove the rivets from the basket assembly using a punch and hammer. Separate the ring gear and clean off any debris. Place the Rekluse basket in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. With the basket heated and the bearing cooled, the bearing should drop right into place in the basket. Install the included snap ring into the basket. Assemble the Rekluse basket to the ring gear using the supplied hardware. Using a press, press the clutch assembly into the basket. Use a deep socket or similar part to press on the inner hub where the center nut clamps to not damage any part. Reinstall the snap ring on the hub. Lay the compensator assembly, clutch assembly, and drive chain on a table. Install the drive chain on the assembly. Install the complete compensator and clutch assembly into the primary as one unit. Apply 2 drops of the supplied Loctite to the compensator bolt and torque to 100 foot-pounds. Then back it off 1/2 turn and retorque to either 170 foot-pounds for M8 models or 160 foot-pounds for twin cam models. Apply 2 drops of the supplied Loctite to the left-hand thread center hub nut and torque to 70 to 80 foot-pounds. Reinstall the center throwout into the pressure plate. Use snap ring pliers to reinstall the retaining ring. Install the primary chain tensioner and torque to 21 to 24 foot-pounds. Reinstall the primary cover, then torque the cover bolts and drain bolt. Use a T27 Torx bit to remove the derby cover. Using a funnel, add 1 liter of oil to the primary case through the derby cover cavity. Use the OE recommended oil or any quality primary oil such as Rekluse factory formulated oil. Reinstall the derby cover.